speaking is generally known as ethnography of communication. It is the study of speaking as an activity in human society. The study of ethnography of communication was initiated by Delheims in the 1960s, concerned not simply with language structure but with language use, with the rules of speaking, the way in which speakers associate particular modes of speaking, topics, or message forms with particular settings. Four interrelated dimensions in any descriptions of way of speaking. Number one, the linguistic resources available to speaker. It means how many different styles you can choose from. Number two, suprasentential structuring. It means how many different structural linguistic events like trials, religious ceremonies, debates, songs are recognized. Number three, the rule of interpretation by which a given set of linguistic items comes to have a given communicative value. Number four, the norms which govern different types of interaction. Himes' ethnographic framework, ethnography of communication. Communication is more than linguistic knowledge. We must understand context. 7 distinct factors captured in an acronym speaking, each associated with a different function but all closely related. Each event governed by social recognized rules. The ethnography of communication. Himes introduced several concepts as basic units for the ethnography of communication. We have 4: communication event, communication act, communication situation, and speech community. Speech community. A central concept is the speech community. It refers to a group of people who share the same rules and patterns for what to say and when and how to say it. The focus of attention shifts from the sentence to the act of communication is the speech event. Any group which shares both linguistic resources and rules for interaction and interpretation. Criterion: the sharing of one linguistic variety. According to Leibov, the speech community is not defined by any moral agreement in the use of language element, so much as by participation in a set of shared norms. These norms may be observed in overt types of evaluative behavior and by the affirmative abstract patterns of variation, which are invariant in respect to particular levels of usage. The speech styles. Variation in a person's speech or writing style usually varies from culture to formal according to the type of situation, the person or persons addressed, the location, the topic discussed, situation, event, and act. Himes suggested that a nested hierarchy of units called the speech situation, speech event, and speech act would be useful, and his suggestion has been widely accepted. The 3 units are a nested hierarchy in the sense that speech acts are part of speech events, which are in turn part of speech situation.